Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iTunes Store missing on iPhone or how to get back iTunes Store app. If the iTunes Store is missing on your iPhone or if you can't find the iTunes Store app, in this video I will give you some steps to help you get it back. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply search for iTunes Store. Sometimes the iTunes Store's app might be on a different home screen or placed inside a folder. You have to simply go to the app library and search here iTunes. If you see there is no available iTunes app on your iPhone, then you have to do is simply install iTunes Store if removed. If you have accidentally deleted the iTunes Store app, you can install it from the App Store. You have to simply open the App Store on your iPhone and search here iTunes Store. You can see here I have downloaded the iTunes Store on my iPhone, but on my library or on my iPhone it is not for finding or missing. But guys, don't worry, I will tell you how to do this. Then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve these type of glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then tap on general, then tap on shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the issue of iTunes missing, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, you have to simply go into the general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating the iOS 17, then you have to do is check for app restrictions. You have to go to the settings, go to screen time, and then go to content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed app, then simply you can see your options iTunes Store. If you have restricted it, you have to do is simply enable it back. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iTunes Store missing on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.